Hey guys, we're in Hampton, Virginia again. We're at another homeless encampment slash property cleanup. So this is what we got here. A couple shopping carts. So, yep, we're gonna load these up. Gotta back the trailer up. I'm parked all the way over there. Okay, so got everything all ready to go, swept up, so I just gotta load that into the trailer. Here's some shopping carts. Yeah, I keep on getting spam calls. I'm sure that those of you guys that are business owners or realtors, you'll get all kinds of spam calls. It's mostly My Business Verified and what's the other one? I'll get one for social media marketing. This right here is my social media marketing. Yeah, you always gotta ask the question, like, if they are cold calling you, are they really any good? You get these SEO companies that email you, they'll cold call you, all that stuff. Be like, we're gonna put you at the top of Google, or the top of Google My Business. You really gotta think, if their SEO program is so good, or their SEO stuff is that good, why did I need to cold call you? Leave me a comment telling me, as a small business owner, how many cold calls you get, how many spam phone calls that you get for marketing. Yeah, I really want to know, because I get about 5 or 6 a day. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.